Hey everyone, welcome to this quick demo video of the 12-minute affiliate system. What I want to do in this video is I want to take a few minutes to just walk you through the system and show you just how easy it is to use and show you why so many people are so excited about the 12-minute affiliate system. So what I've got here is I've got my demo account and I'm going to log in. I'm going to show you everything, show you what to do, show you how the system works so that when you create your account, you know exactly what to do and you see just how easy it is to make the system work for you. So let's go ahead and log in here to my demo account. And what you should notice is two things right off the bat. The first thing is we've got all of the pages of the members area laid out very easily and very cleanly down here on the left hand side of the page. Now, the other thing that you should notice is right smack dab here in the middle of the page, the very first thing you see is you see your quick start checklist. Now, what we've done is we've made this thing an absolute no-brainer. So the first thing you'll want to do once you log into your account is simply follow the instructions and follow these little steps in order that are listed out here in the quick start checklist. So you see the very first step. Now I've already done these steps, which is why there are green check marks next to these boxes or inside these boxes. But for example, the first step here, it just says create a free affiliate account, approximate time 2 minutes. So all you'll do is you'll come over here and follow the first step. You'll click on this little arrow and you'll see where it says, hey, click here to create a free ClickBank account. And all you'll do is create, and by the way, if you already have a ClickBank account, you can just come down here and then enter your ClickBank ID into this little box, and congratulations, you're done with the step. You see how easy it is. Now, if you're confused about anything, if you don't know what you're doing, then the good news is we've got demo videos that are associated with each step. You can watch a demo video. The demo video actually takes a little bit longer to complete than the step itself because we're explaining it to you because we don't want you to have any questions. Also, you can see here that we've got full written setup instructions here. If you want a written guide, a written PDF, where you can follow along and do your setup, then you can do that as well. So all you do going back is you would click on the action item, the first step here in the quick start checklist. You'd create your free account and then you'd come down here as it says and hold on one sec. You just enter in your ClickBank ID and check the little box and it turns green and you see here that my check mark is now there and I'm good to go and I'm done with the first step. Second step, get your autoresponder, right? And the same thing, all you do is you just click on this little icon or just click on this little arrow. It tells you what to do. It has a video for you if you're not sure what to do and it walks you through it, right? It's really, really easy to do. Now, here's the neat thing, pay close attention. Once you've done these first two steps, once you've done step number 1 and step number 2, if you want, you can actually skip ahead to the done for you setup. If you don't want to go through and set the entire system up, then just complete the first 2 steps and come down here to the done for you setup option and the 12-minute affiliate staff will actually set up your entire system for you. All we ask is that you cover the cost of the staff doing the setup, but we will actually set your system up for you. But if you choose to set up the system yourself, all you do is just follow along with the videos in the quick start checklist guide here, or access the full written instructions here, and you should be able to have the entire system up and running before you go to bed tonight. It is literally that easy to do. Now, once you've gotten your system set up, then you would just come here and say, oh, well, what's next? And you just click on this little thing that says step by step. The neat thing about the 12-minute affiliate system is that we never want you to ask the question, what do I do next? We always answer the question, what to do next, and then we show you exactly how to do it, which is why so many people have found a home with 12-minute affiliate, and which is why this system is absolutely changing the way things are done in the industry, because it's just that easy. Now, I want to skip ahead a little bit and I want to show you something. Once you've set up, or once you've gone through, the quick start checklist, then all of your affiliate funnels will be activated. Now over here, you see it says my niche funnels, or you might say my niche funnels, whichever way you like to pronounce it. So this is my niche funnels. And what you'll notice here is that there are 3 main niches. You've got the home-based business / make money online niche. You've got the weight loss niche or niche, whichever you prefer. And you've got the personal development niche. Now, There are done-for-you sales funnels in all of these niches, and there are done-for-you affiliate products that we've already found the top highest converting affiliate products and plugged them into the system for you. If you want to promote your own affiliate products, if you've got certain products that you want to promote, by all means, you can enter them into the system. But in case you don't want to go hunting for affiliate products, we've already found the top converting products and we've built them into the system for you. Just in case you're brand new and you don't know what you're doing, you don't know what to look for, we've got you covered on that. Now, if you have a basic account with us, you'll have access to one of these niche markets. You get to choose which one you want. But if you have an upgraded account, if you have a gold account, then you can have multiple affiliate niche businesses in multiple niches, right? And so we chose these niches because these are literally billion-dollar niche markets and you will never struggle to find stuff to sell in any of these niches. So once your system is set up, what you do is you can come over here to any one of these niche markets. I'm going to come over here to weight loss. And what you'll notice is that you've got two options. You've got instant funnels and custom funnels. Now, your instant funnels are automatically set up during the quick start checklist. So when you come over here to the quick start checklist, that is automatically setting up all of your instant funnels for you. And your instant funnels look like this. You can see that all these pages are done. You've got these beautiful opt-in pages that link to bridge pages, and these pages actually link to the affiliate product that you want to promote, right? There's nothing for you to write. There's nothing for you to code. There's nothing for you to host. None of that stuff. All of these high converting affiliate sales funnels are good to go. And if you ever wanted to adjust a funnel, or if you ever wanted to swap out the affiliate product you're promoting, all you would do is just choose one of these options over here, and you can do it, and it's super simple. It's very easy to do. Now, that's part one, are your instant funnels, which are automatically generated. And if you just wanted to stop there with your instant funnels, which are going to be automatically promoted, and all you have to do is order traffic to them, and that's good. You could stop right there. However, check this out. If you're more of an intermediate to advanced marketer, you can come over here to what are called your custom funnels, and you can literally create custom affiliate funnels on demand in under 30 seconds. Here's how it works. You just click on custom funnels. You just choose the template you want. The templates are already done. You choose whether you want an opt-in page or a bridge page or both, right? So let's say I only wanted to make a bridge page, right? I just come over here. It says, what's the affiliate link that you want to promote? And you just type in your affiliate link.com to whatever product you wanted. Click continue. All right. Then you'd name it funnel 1. All right. I'm making this up. And then you'd say generate personalized funnel. And congratulations, you've automatically generated a funnel I know this is in the home business / make money online niche market. It's already done. It's that simple. That's what I tell you guys. You can literally create unlimited funnels that are niche specific. And then if you wanted to promote a whole bunch of different affiliate products, you could. All you got to do is get traffic to those funnels. Now, here's the neat thing. Traffic is something that most people struggle with, right? So as you've seen here, you're completely, this is cake, right? All the funnels are done for you, right? There's nothing for you to do. But the question is, how do you get traffic to the funnels? And so here's the neat part. All you do is you come over here to done for you traffic, okay? And then you click on get traffic. That's it. I know, it's too easy, right? All you do is you click get traffic and you order as much traffic as you want based on your budget. Now, if you already know how to get traffic, good job, high five, more power to you. But if you don't, come over here to done for you traffic and click on get traffic. That's it. And if you're looking for other traffic methods, one of the free bonuses that you get is we show you 16 ways to get free traffic to your website. And we've also got a lot of other stuff. You can see the resources here. We've got a personal development library for you. If you want to get one-on-one coaching, you can get one-on-one coaching. We've got a private Facebook community. But you can see here that the system is very easy to use. The vast majority of our members have everything set up before they go to bed tonight. Or what they do is they just choose to have us do the setup for them. And usually we have your system set up within 1 to 2 business days, generally speaking. And then that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all there is to the system. It is that simple. So here's what I want you to do. Somewhere on this page, you will see a button that will allow you to get started with the 12-minute affiliate system. Click on that button. Take advantage of jumping into the system. Once you log in and create your account, you'll see that it looks just like this. Start with the first step in the quick start checklist, and you should be good to go. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for allowing me to demo this system for you.